Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to replace an existing Simplebooklet with a brand new Canva design using the Canva Publish Intent Integration. This lets you completely refresh a Simplebooklet while keeping the same live link and analytics intact. So we're going to get started here on the Canva dashboard. We're going to select the Canva design that we want to turn into a Simplebooklet. After your design is finalized, we're going to make our way over to the top right corner here and click on the Share button. As you can see, I already have the Simplebooklet option available to me, but that's because I've been using the integration. If this is one of your first few times using it, just go ahead and click the See All button, scroll down to Design, and you can access it right there. As you can see here, you'll get a little preview that opens up. You might notice it looks a little blurry on some of the pages, but that's to be expected. The published version will display at full quality. So from here, you're going to choose which pages you want to export. I'm going to go with all of them. And then you can choose a page flip transition as well. Since this is a magazine, I'm going to pick something that matches my booklet. So these are the recommended ones, but you also have our full library down here that you can choose from. And then from here, we're going to switch to the Library tab. And so this is going to show us our 25 most recent Simplebooklets, which is cool. And as you can see here, I have this coffee magazine. It's a little bit old and outdated, and I wanted to update it with a new, fresh design that I made in Canva, but I still want to keep all of the analytics associated with it and the link as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click Update with a new design under this one, and then I will select the Publish Now button. If the Publish Now button was grayed out, that just means that you need to connect your Simplebooklet and Canva accounts, which you can do so in the Account tab in the integration. And then as you see here, you get a little confirmation just letting you know that your design has been published. You can either make a copy of it in Canva or check it out directly in Simplebooklet. So it's just going to take a little bit to upload here, but our Simplebooklet eventually will open in the preview mode with our new design in place. And so from here, we can flip through our pages, see how it looks with our new design. We can check out what it will look like on different devices here. We can continue to customize it using Simplebooklet's customization features. We can add design elements, edit it, or even add our own voice narration to make it more interactive. Once you're satisfied with everything and ready to share, just go ahead and click the Share button for that booklet. This is where you can grab your link, generate a QR code, grab an embed code, or use any of the sharing options that we offer. And that's how to replace an existing Simplebooklet with a new Canva design using the Canva Publish Intent integration. Your content is updated and your link and analytics stay the same. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.